everyone. I'm out here at Dollar General. I came out to purchase some items, food items for our homeless feeding later this month. And I decided to show you my van. Now this is a 2017 Toyota Sienna. I bought it brand new. Prior to this van, I was driving a 2004 Toyota Echo, and I had bought that one brand new, but it was starting to give me a lot of problems. I was going to the mechanic a lot and having repairs done on it, and I decided I didn't want to end up being somewhere far away and having the van or the Toyota Echo break down on me and leave me stranded. And I decided to just go ahead and purchase this brand new van. And I wanted a new van. I didn't want a used one because I wanted something that I could hold on to for many years. And I intend to keep this van until the tires fall off, all right? Now at the time, I didn't know how I was gonna buy a new van, but I knew God was gonna make a way. And one day I just lifted up a prayer to God and I said, Lord, I'm out here doing your work. Please make it possible for me to get a new van. I know I was asking for a lot, all right? But with God, all things are possible, right? And what I did is I just prayed about it and I said, Lord, help me. You know what I do out here in the streets with the homeless. Help me. And he revealed to me, he reminded me that I had some retirement money set aside. And he said to me, use that money toward your down payment. And that's what I ended up doing. And my husband helped me out. He said, don't worry about it. I know that what you do it because it's a labor of love and you're out there doing a good deed. And he said, I'm going to help you. And he gave me a portion of the down payment as well. And with my money and his money, I was able to put a very good down payment down on this vehicle. And right now, as of March 2021, I only have a few payments left on this van, and then it'll be all paid off for. And I say thank you, Jesus, for making it possible. And here's the kind of music I like to listen to when I'm out feeding the homeless. I like to listen to easy music. I need to take it to the car wash. Look, that's from winter time, all right. Check out our website, all right. Empowering the underserved. That's what we do, all right? And how do we empower the underserved? We empower the underserved by giving educational workshops on money management, finances. We also do workshops on healthy eating and things like that. That's what we do. But we also feed and clothe the homeless, all right? And these are some of the bags that I already made up. Now inside each bag are different items like chips, Vienna sausages, which the homeless love because it has a pull top, snacks, and each bag has a pair of socks inside. Some of them I made up in these plastic bags. I like making them in plastic bags also because then they can reuse the bag to put something in. And there's inspirational messages in the bags. I have the masks for the homeless that need them. I also have these cards. One of my YouTube subscribers makes these cards up and sends them to me to give away to the homeless. Life is tough, but so are you. Isn't that sweet that she thinks so much of the homeless that she wants to send these little cards out to me so I can hand them out. I also have the blankets, razor blades, knit caps. The homeless walk a lot and sometimes they end up getting blisters. I like to carry this with me in case they need any band-aids. Something I learned about, one of my homeless was telling me that what they do, if they don't have a container to make these up in, he said you can just use the wrapping, the plastic wrapping that this comes in. You put hot water into it and you can eat it right out of the bag. Of course, you can't wait too long to eat it because then it'll start to leak, but it'll keep the liquid inside long enough for them to eat it, he said. I never knew that, so I learned something from my homeless. And I carry bags because the homeless are always asking for them. I give out water and the flavor packets. I also carry sanitary pads for the homeless. And when things get better with this coronavirus, we'll be able to start giving out our homeless hugs again. Now, the homeless, they really miss our hugs, but they know that because of what's going on right now, that's on temporary pause, all right? I made this up a couple years ago. Like I said, this is just part of what I'm going to be handing out. It's starting to get pretty windy out here. sometimes I run into homeless families, and I like to carry around books with me so I can give to the children. I really love my van. It's been very helpful. I'm able to carry a lot of things in here to hand out to the homeless. And when times get better, I'll be able to transport some of my homeless in the van again. There's my thrift store bag. I really miss going to the thrift store. My mask. I like to keep snacks in there for when I'm driving around and I see a homeless individual. I'll pull up and I give them a snack. I also give them some hand sanitizers. My husband sometimes goes with me. This is his mask. I've got nip caps. That's just fuzz, okay? It's not dirty, it just has a lot of fuzz on it because I put it in the dryer. And here's some socks. Like I said, I'm getting ready to head into Dollar General and possibly Dollar Tree to buy some items to make some more bags up. It's cloudy, it's overcast, and it's a little bit cool, but I'm out here doing God's work, picking up some supplies for my homeless. I thank all of you for stopping by and watching my videos. Come back and visit with us. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. Ooh, it's kind of cold out here. Hit that little notification bell that tells you when I posted something new. I appreciate you stopping by, all right? I wanted to give you a little tour on my van so you'll see how I travel when I'm out and about feeding my homeless. And like I said, this van was only made possible because of God, all right? I see someone waved to me. I wave to people. If they wave to me, I wave to them. He made it possible. He gave me the idea, like I said, to use some of my retirement money to use toward the down payment. And then my husband also helped me out. I have been so blessed. I have such a wonderful husband that he is behind me 100%. When nobody else steps forward to help me, he is there, all right? When I was looking to purchase this van, I didn't know how I was going to do it. And he said, don't worry about it. And he gave me the money, cash, so I could put a good down payment on the vehicle. And as of March of 2021, I only have a few payments left on the vehicle, and then it's all paid for. Thank you, Jesus Christ. All right, sweetie. Thank you again for stopping by. back and visit with us again, all right? Don't be a stranger, as they say.